For years, I convinced myself I needed the same collection of expensive creative software that everyone else was using. Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, half a dozen AI tools, video editors, image editors, animation apps, subscription after subscription. The funny thing is, I paid for many of them, but I never truly learned most of them. Every program had its own interface, its own workflow, its own shortcuts, and another mountain of tutorials to watch. Instead of creating, I often felt like I was studying software. Every new project meant asking, which app do I even open for this? I am not saying Adobe apps are bad, but they can be a bit intensive and expensive when all you want is to have creative freedom. Instead of getting right into your idea, you had to watch an hour-long tutorial just to find the right button inside the right UI. And for someone like me who uses Photoshop a lot, but also video software, it meant switching to an even more expensive subscription package just to keyframe some overlays for my video. And here is where I dare to say Character Panda has completely replaced Photoshop, After Effects, and any complicated animation software I tried just to find what works best. And to be honest, I canceled Adobe this month, and I had to pay an early cancellation fee of over $79.
You don't get to unsubscribe. You committed to a 12 months subscription. Hey, wait, you owe us $123 early cancellation fee. Hey, wait, we give you a special deal for the next 24 months.
Because at Adobe, you have to commit to a certain time frame, which is very rare with any subscription these days, and simply unfair if you don't need them anymore. But I'll tell you a secret. Somewhere, a group of frustrated creators have come together and built a cyber city of tools, UIs, and APIs, and you are very welcome here as well. It might look huge and confusing at first, but once you find your way around, you will never look back. This city is ours, fellow creators. At Character Panda, you can cancel, upgrade, or downgrade, or top up AI credits anytime. You can sign up for free, and you can keep using all the UIs for free. The Photoshop grade image editor, free. The video timeline with all FX, free. Even the animation UI, which is very rare, is totally free. No restrictions or subscriptions here to use any tools or UIs. What the Character Panda subscriptions and top-ups actually do is unlock AI generation on top of already free AI options. Premium unlocks image generation with more models and higher quality and reference, and more AI chat and story generations. But even the free tier already gives you monthly credits to try out AI features on top of using all the tools for free. Platinum unlocks AI video and more credits. Also, realistic natural text-to-speech needs a paid subscription, but free has a read out loud option as well. So whatever your content project is, you only pay what you actually use. Upgrade or top up for bigger projects, and switch back down while you just test out ideas. Character Panda keeps adding new features that creators might want, and keeps up with the latest, most realistic AI technology. So yes, these options are not free because they are developed by high-end companies and run on massive hyperscale clusters powered by enterprise GPUs, primarily the NVIDIA H100 and newer Blackwell platforms. These processors are networked together in thousands or hundreds of thousands to train and run these complex generative networks. But fret not, little creator. You are in the right place to find exactly what you need. No more $39 for a 12-month commitment just to try Adobe After Effects, or searching the internet for days to save money with alternatives that then turn out to be just a free trial. I now actually use my time to make creative content, and I can't wait for the next little feature or tool that pops up because someone thought, oh, that would be nice to have. Because Character Panda is not created by a huge enterprise, but by creators like you and me to find what we need.
So, Kitty, you built this cyber city. You're the architect, the coder. How did you do it?
Now I show you some of my favorite content creator UIs. They are not all you will find here. For example, the image editor, it completely replaced Photoshop for me. And when I miss a feature, I send the mods a message and voila, a new tool pops up soon. Keep in mind that this UI is not focusing on painting. In Character, Panda, I would trust a painting UI would be implemented separately. But here in the image editor, I can do all I used to do in Photoshop. Next, the Video Studio that has replaced Adobe Premiere for me and gives me a simpler UI with professional tools. When you open Video Studio, you land here with your recently edited images. Choose one to start a project or open a project you already started. I already generated a video from my image, but you can of course upload your own footage here and send it to the timeline, or open Timeline to start with a completely empty timeline. I send my video to the timeline. I already did that before, so I deleted the double with left-click delete. You can also import footage or stills right here in your media library and drag them into the timeline. Click on the Take in the Timeline to reveal Inspector and Options. Here on the left, beside the Import option in the library, you find one-click camera movement effects. When you click on the lane icon on the light purple scene bar, you reveal all the overlay options, and there are many, neatly separated and easy to use. For the FX particle system, you need to load a PNG with a transparent background as a sprite. You can upload audio or create text-to-speech. You can enable loop and set loop count per scene. Make sure at export you tick loop scenes where enabled. You can find tools like Move, Split, Cut, and VoiceOver, and in filters, even a blur brush to hide areas of the clip. Today's video is not a tutorial. Please check my other videos for more in-depth tutorials. And last but not least, because the tools in Panda are many, many more, I show you the animation UI that has completely replaced After Effects for me. This is a snippet from the more in-depth animation tutorial. I will add a link in the description.